Depression. India is the most depressed country in the world. Every 40 minutes, someone dies out of depression. Are you considering how important it is to take care of our mental health? And I still don't know why we are still finding people to talk to about how we are feeling. According to me, there are two types of people in this world. First, people who are self-motivated, and second are those people who are dependent on an external motivation. And people who falls in that second category are more vulnerable toward experiencing this feeling of being depressed. People are alone. They're finding someone to talk to. And social media in today's world has captured our lives so much that we pretend to be a socialite, an influencer in front of the world, which doesn't even exist in our reality. We are pretending to be happy, to be satisfied in front of our virtual family, which is nowhere related to us. And that fear of not speaking our heart out, of keeping everything inside and getting filled up with those emotions is no less than suicide. That is devastating. अंधेरे से लगाव तब होगा ना जब उजाले की किरणें आंखों में चुभने लगेंगी. And that feeling forces us to move out of our reality. People, they start drinking, they start smoking, and they develop this habit of doing all these things in excess until they realize the hell they have made out of their life. And that realization of not turning back, that realization of everything coming to an end coincide with that feeling of being alone, and that result in suicide. Suicides are not planned. They are instinctive, they are impulsive, they just happen. They happen in a fraction of a second. I am familiar to this feeling. I am familiar to this feeling of being depressed. I guess I have experienced it twice. First, when I was in love for the first time, when everything seemed like a dream world. I loved a girl and it was just a perfect love story. Everything seemed so natural, so perfect. We used to go out for movies, for lunch, for dinner, and I just couldn't ask for anything else. And suddenly, after years, she realized that she didn't want me. She parted ways. She moved with someone else. And I was left there, alone. I had no one to talk to. She was the soul of my life. I used to come back home and cry. और मैं जब तक रोता था तब तक मेरे को नींद नहीं आ जाती थी. I used to cry for hours. अंधेरे में रहने की जैसे आदत ही हो गई थी. But fortunately at that time I had my family, I had my sister, I had my extended family जिन्होंने मुझे help करा, and I could actually move out of that feeling. And second, when everything I did in my life was a failure to everyone who existed in my life, that feeling was devastating. I couldn't see myself in the mirror. I felt so alone. I felt I considered myself a failure. I couldn't see my strengths, I couldn't see my talent, I couldn't see my potential. Everyone wanted me to see that way, and I was just looking like that. I can never forget that feeling. I felt like dying, and that was no less than suicide. And all of that happened in my life because no one taught me that I should love myself first. Nobody taught me that I should prioritize myself before giving priority to anyone. Nobody taught me to look at the better side of the picture all the time. I figured it out myself. I wish I had me at the time who had said all these things to me when I was alone and I was crying for months. That girl who ditched me and made my life hell didn't deserve me. It is as simple as that. She didn't deserve my loyalty. And this is how it is. I didn't fail in my life. Everything I did didn't fail. I succeeded. I learned. I grew. I had experience. I know how things are not done. I found myself. Isn't it a success? Isn't it something which you should look for, which I should look for? It keeps me happy. I know that I will not be depressed ever in my life because I have found a way. हम हमेशा अपनी जिंदगी में एक आधार चुनते हैं, एक केंद्र चुनते हैं, which of course is subjective to change, but I'm talking about the time when it is consistent. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, हमारा प्यार, हमारी गर्लफ्रेंड, हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स, हमारे दोस्त, हमारा करियर, हमारे एग्जाम्स, हमारा सक्सेस, It can be anything. और जब वो स्तंभ टूटता है, all of a sudden our lives start looking meaningless. It just shatters in a second and everything around is just so worthless. But is it the end? No, it's not. You're never alone. You are never alone. You don't need anyone. You will always have you. And if this world is pulling you down, you always remember that you are sufficient for yourself. When this world is ruthless towards you, you remember that you are sufficient for yourself. पेड़ की एक शाखा को काटो तो दो शाखा जन्म लेती हैं. When the people around you are pushing you down, you stand up and say that you're not giving up. You have the ability to become anything in this world. You just need to change the outlook, and being optimistic sounds so accurate. You're planning to give up? Like for real? Why? For whom? For people who brought you here? They don't deserve you. They don't deserve this. Remember that you're the only one who is going to stand by yourself forever. You will always have your back. The harsh reality is that we live in the world of convenience, and having an expectation is the first step of letting yourself down. It is the first step of disappointment, and this is the harsh reality, you believe it or not. When nothing seems right, when everything is going wrong and you cannot do anything, just sit and give yourself some time, because time has the power to heal. Darkness is not in the absence of light. It is when you believe that light is never going to come. जिस शख्स को तुम मारना चाहते हो सुसाइड करके, क्या पता यार वो शख्स तुमसे अभी भी उतनी मोहब्बत करता हो. Your hand does not deserve to write a suicide note. Live and write your success story instead. Thank you. My name is Tushar Bhardwaj.